So first of all, I would like to brief you about my job profile. So I work as a factory supervisor in Scottish chemical industry. So my industry, we deal in production of aluminum alloys. So my work as a production supervisor or factory supervisor is first thing to plan the production as per the orders, then see the inventory of raw materials and the finished products as well, then planning the dispatches as per the marketing team, as the orders from the marketing teams. I plan the dispatches accordingly. I arrange the vehicles, and also at the same time I look after the handling the manpower at day shift and night shift, then maintaining the safety and discipline through in the industry. uh, this was related to my job and my uh, professional this. Apart from this, I have my own martial arts, say, or taekwondo academy, as a dynamic taekwondo academy. It's almost I've completed 4 years of it, and I have trained more than 300 to 350 students in martial arts, and many of my students have achieved some good achieve have shown some good achievements in this field as well. So yeah, so this is all about me.
I did my engineering in 2017. I passed out in 2017, and then I was in Pune for the next 2 years. It was a new phase altogether, wherein I was going to stay alone in a hostel for the first time in my life. So that phase is very important. For 2 years, I was in Pune, and then I shifted into construction because of this COVID thing. Because my father is a middle-aged man, and I wouldn't want him to be exposed to the vendors. So I took over and I started working with him, and I started meeting the vendors in place of him. So that is when I decided I had to switch over from my civil services dream to a civil engineering dream. And then I started working as a site engineer at first, as in working the same hours as a site engineer is supposed to work. And trust me, my father did not make anything easier for me. Like if there was casting, then I was working till 12 till the casting is over, and then I was home. And I had no such slack. I was scolded in front of the laborers and everything that a usual site engineer has to go through to build on his confidence and his knowledge. Eventually, after I showed progress, my father decided that I should be acting as a manager, and then eventually on business development, where now I'm adding on to my knowledge through getting into legalities, getting into accounts of our business, and meeting with lawyers, architects, engineering consultants, every people, and it's me who is handling everything right